Hey there, guitar kit builders. Tim Landis here with Rustic Outlaw Guitars. We're getting ready to do this junior, and just wanted to Guitar Kit World. I want to thank Guitar Kit World for everything they've done for us and Two in the Chest. However, Guitar Kit World has asked us to go through a video when you get a guitar kit and not all the holes or routes are there. So what's going on with this one is, if you look, there's no hole there for the cavity to get to the control cavity from the pickup. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. To put that hole, an access hole, from the pickup area to the control cavity. You don't have to, it's not an overwhelming task. You can do it pretty easy. I recommend you put a pad or something here to protect your wood, because the drill bit will try and walk. You're going to need a couple things. I would use a pilot hole bit, and then a bit long enough that it'll get into your control cavity. And you can see that that's easily going to get into my control cavity. You don't want to interfere with your holes for your posts, for your bridge. So you want to make sure that you stay low enough, but not too low, that you're blowing out to the top of the control cavity. You want to try and get down in there, that area, and if you can see that, down in that corner there, so you're not blowing out the wood near the top. Now there is a seam there, it's a 3-piece body. As long as you're careful, you should be okay. So, one last thing you'll need is a drill. I recommend a good speed drill, and of course, safety glasses, because you don't want to have anything going into your eyes. So, how we're going to do this. Again, put your pad there so the drill bit doesn't walk. Get your pilot bit. Mark your hole where you think. Rough estimate, you don't have to be perfect. You just start your pilot hole and point that towards the... Okay, now take your long bit, put that in your chuck. Put that in there again, the pad will keep it from... So there we go. Access hole going into the cavity. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Guitar Kit World, and happy building.